Open your Instagram right now. What do you see? People flexing in front of private jets, wearing clothes covered in designer logos, and driving cars that cost more than a house. Society has brainwashed you into thinking this is what wealth looks like. But let me tell you a brutal secret. Most of those people are completely broke. They are drowning in credit card debt. Welcome to Mr. Choi's Wealth Desk. Today, we are exposing the fake rich epidemic and revealing why true wealth is always silent. There is a massive difference between being rich and being wealthy. Rich is loud. Rich is your current income. It is the guy making $200,000 a year, but spending $210,000 to maintain an image. He is one bad month away from total bankruptcy. Wealth, on the other hand, is quiet. Wealth is the money you do not see. It is the portfolio compounding in the background. It is the real estate generating passive income. It is the absolute freedom to wake up and do whatever you want. So, why do the truly wealthy hide their money? Why do they practice stealth wealth? First, it protects their peace. When you broadcast your success, you attract the wrong kind of attention. Suddenly, old friends want loans. Family members expect handouts. Scammers target you. The wealthy value their privacy more than they value your validation. They don't need to wear a massive logo to prove they have made it. Their bank account is the only validation they need. Second, flexing destroys your compounding power. Every dollar you spend on a shiny object to impress strangers is a dollar that cannot be invested. Let's say you buy a $100 designer t-shirt. You just killed that $100. But if you invested that same money into an index fund, over decades it could grow into thousands. The fake rich trade their future freedom for a few likes on social media. The truly wealthy trade temporary validation for permanent freedom. They understand the concept of quiet luxury. They buy high-quality, unbranded items. They drive reliable cars that do not attract attention. They live in nice but secure neighborhoods. They blend in perfectly. If you walk past a real self-made millionaire on the street, you would never even know it. They look just like you. The only difference is the size of their portfolio and the total ownership of their time. It is time to make a choice. Do you want to look rich? Or do you want to be wealthy? You cannot have both. Stop trying to prove yourself to people who do not even care about you. Put your head down. Start building in silence. Invest your money where people cannot see it. Let your success make the noise. If you are ready to drop the fake flex and start building real generational wealth, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment below. Are you choosing to look rich or be wealthy? Keep building in silence. I will see you at the top.